In 2026, there will be a lot of changes in tech industry. If you are a fresher and looking for IT jobs, you should understand what are company types. तुम्ही माझ्या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर माझ्या चॅनलला नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा. माहिती आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला नक्की लाईक करा आणि फ्रेशरना हा व्हिडिओ नक्की शेअर करा. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत व्हॉट आर डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ द कंपनीज. There are basically two types of companies. One is product-based company and second one is service-based companies. And what is the difference between them? I'm going to tell you in detail. What are the technical skills you require for product-based companies, service-based companies? I'm going to explain, as well as what are the pros and cons for this two different types of companies. प्रत्येक कंपनीचे either it is service-based or product-based company असेल तर त्याचे फायदे कुठले आहेत, तोटे कुठले आहेत, कुठले स्किल सेट आपल्याला लागतील, हायरिंग प्रोसेस कशी असेल आणि वर्किंग कल्चर कसं असेल, हे सगळं मी आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपल्याला सांगणार आहे. तर व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्की बघा. So basically there are two types of companies. One is service-based company, one is product-based companies. आता, in case of product-based companies, these are the companies which will create their software and they will sell to the customers. And what are the examples for that? There are examples like Microsoft, Google, Adobe, Amazon, Zoho, then we have Salesforce, etc. These are the all product-based companies. So what is the benefit for these product-based companies? Generally, these product-based companies will give a very high package. खूप छान पॅकेजेस मिळतात. तुम्ही कम्पेअर करा सर्व्हिस बेस्ड कंपनी आणि प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीमध्ये, तुम्हाला प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीमध्ये खूप छान पॅकेज मिळेल. आय एम गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हॉट आर द प्रोज किंवा फायदे कुठले आहेत ह्या कंपनीमध्ये. तुम्हाला जर जॉब मिळाला तर पहिला तर तुम्हाला खूप छान सॅलरी मिळेल. सेकंड पॉईंट, इन दिस कंपनीज यू विल गेट गुड वर्क लाईफ बॅलन्स. थर्ड पॉईंट, यू हॅव टू अपडेट युअर स्किल सेट ऑलवेज बिकॉज दिस इज अ जॉब रोल्स रिक्वायरमेंट. Third important point here is your job profile will enhance and your self growth will be much than compared to the service based companies and company culture will be good. These किंवा हे सगळे फायदे झाले. Now what are the difficulties or what are the cons किंवा तोटे कुठले आहेत हे आपण आता बघणार आहोत. Here hiring process is very tough. This is the first con किंवा पहिला तोटा म्हणावा लागेल. यांची हायरिंग प्रोसेस थोडीशी डिफिकल्ट असते. आणि सेकंड इम्पॉर्टंट पॉईंट इज लिमिटेड tech stack flexibility. So these are the main two cons for this industry. Now let's move towards the service based companies. So these are the companies which provide the services to the clients, either creating a own software. Got it? First important point is to work on client's project and you should finish it within a particular deadline, and accordingly you have to get a specific business need. So work for a client projects and solve their specific business need. So in service-based company, you need to work on a specific project which is aligned to you for a particular customer, and you need to fulfill customers' need and generate a business out of that. Here, training will be provided to the fresher. So this kind of work involves implementation, support, customization, and maintenance. So here you will get a lot of variety of projects. So accordingly, you can build your skills. Now, what are service-based companies? Infosys, TCS, Capgemini, Accenture, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, HCL. These are the service-based companies. Now, what are the pros? You will easily get selected in this kind of companies. You will get a training also from the company, being as a fresher. Good for freshers to start their career. You will get a lot of projects, exposures, and good knowledge. What are the cons for these companies? You'll get a very low salary compared to the product-based companies. This is one of the biggest con, or हे सगळ्यात difficult किंवा तोटा आहे ह्या service-based companyचा. You'll get a task-based work based upon projects aligned to you. This is the second con. And this kind of work culture or this kind of companies will extend your working hours because they have a limited time to complete that one particular project. So this is one of the important and dangerous con. Finally, one difference from product-based and service-based company is product-based companies build their own project. In case of service-based companies, they provide the services to external clients. I hope you understood difference between them, and accordingly you prepare yourself for these kind of companies. First, you have to identify either you are looking for product-based companies and service-based companies, which is very much important. Accordingly, you have to develop your skill set. In next video, I'm going to tell you if you are looking for product-based companies, what are skill set you require, and if you are looking for service-based companies, what are the minimum skill you should have. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत बघितल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद, आणि माहिती आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला नक्की लाईक करा आणि चॅनलला नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा. पुन्हा भेटूया नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये नवीन माहिती सहित.